Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the ultimate channel for making your purchasing decisions a whole lot easier and a whole lot more fun. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to blow your propellers off. On the left, we have the sleek and sophisticated Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone, aka Potensic Atom. And on the right, the budget-friendly yet feature-packed Tizzy Toy brushless motor drone, affectionately known as Tizzy Toy. So buckle up, folks, because it's time to find out which of these sky surfers deserves a spot in your gadget arsenal. Alright, let's start with the part that makes your wallet cry. The Potensic Atom is priced at a cool $449. Yup, that's right, folks, almost enough to buy you a one-way ticket to a tropical island. Meanwhile, the Tizzy Toy comes in at just $99. You could buy 4 Tizzy Toys for the price of one Potensic Atom and still have enough left over for a celebratory pizza party. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Tizzy Toy takes the cake. Or, should I say, the sky. Now, let's talk cameras. The Potensic Atom boasts a 4K 30 FPS camera with a 12 megapixels Sony CMOS sensor and a 3-axis gimbal. Translation? Your footage will be smoother than a jazz saxophonist on a Sunday afternoon. On the flip side, the Tizzy Toy has a 4K 120 degrees adjustable lens. Not bad. But let's be real. It's like comparing a professional photographer to your Uncle Bob, who just discovered Instagram filters. Reviewers praise the Potensic Atom for its high-quality camera and smooth footage, whereas the Tizzy Toy is noted for its good quality given the price, but doesn't quite match up to the professional level of the Potensic Atom. Battery life is where things get interesting. The Potensic Atom offers 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries and charges in just 1.5 hours. It's like the Energizer Bunny of drones. Meanwhile, Tizzy Toy gives you 40 minutes of airtime with its 2 batteries. Not bad, but in drone years, that's like taking a power nap instead of a full night's sleep. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time of the Potensic Atom, making it ideal for longer sessions, while the Tizzy Toy is appreciated for its decent flight time, but is seen as less capable for extended use. Special features time. The Potensic Atom comes with visual tracking, quick shots, GPS, and auto return. It's like the James Bond of drones. Smooth, sophisticated, and always knows how to find its way home. Tizzy Toy, on the other hand, is like your playful cousin at a family reunion. It's got high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and even a 360 degrees flip. Sure, it's fun and full of tricks, but can it bring you a martini? Shaken, not stirred. I don't think so. Reviewers love the advanced features of the Potensic Atom, especially for photography and filming, while Tizzy Toy is highlighted for its fun and engaging features, particularly for beginners. Lastly, let's see which one's more beginner-friendly. The Potensic Atom has enhanced GPS and an auto-return feature. Perfect for those who tend to lose things, like, drones. Tizzy Toy, however, offers detailed tutorials and 24-hour customer service. So if you're the type who needs a hand-holding experience, Tizzy Toy's got your back. Reviewers note that the Potensic Atom is user-friendly but can be complex for absolute beginners, while Tizzy Toy is praised for its ease of use and supportive resources for first-time users. Reviewers generally praise the Potensic Atom for its high-quality camera, long battery life, and advanced features, making it a top choice for serious drone enthusiasts. However, some suggest that it may be worth investing in even higher-end drones for professional needs. On the other hand, The Tizzy toy is commended for being a fantastic budget option, with decent camera quality and fun features, but it falls short in terms of customer support and advanced capabilities. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a high-end drone with all the bells and whistles, the Potensic Atom is your guy. But if you're on a budget and still want to have a ton of fun, the Tizzy toy is a fantastic choice. Either way, you're going to be soaring high. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.